Dr. Bernadine Cruz, and I think there are times that my own clients think that I'm a rather sadistic person because I want them to medicate their pets. It's not easy, especially if you have a cat, but medicating is very important to do. We call it in veterinary medicine compliance. I ask you to give medication to your pet twice a day. You might give it once a day, you might forget. You go, oh, the pet's feeling better, I really don't want to do it, the cat hates it, the dog doesn't like it. Why is it important to give the medication till it's gone? Sometimes when you give, especially something like antibiotics, and you give it for a day or two, you get to kill the easy bugs, but the bacteria that's much harder to kill can be sitting there just waiting to come back full force and be much harder to get under control the second time around. So giving medication the way that it's prescribed, as often as it's prescribed, is very important to do. If you have questions on how to give it, why to give it, where to give it, best thing to do even before you leave your veterinary office, ask your veterinarian or one of the staff to show you how to use the medication. So, what to do if you have a pill. If it's a dog, usually pretty straightforward. You can hide it in a bit of cheese, you can hide it in a marshmallow, something like that. Most of the time the dog will take it first time, no problem, very simple. Well, what if you have a dog or a cat who goes, I'm not going to take this. Not a good idea to put it into the food. When you put it into the food, if it tastes funny, that pet may say, I'm not going to eat this stuff again. Alright, how about a liquid? Liquids are fine to give, but if I have my own preference, I prefer a pill because I know they're either in the pet or on the floor. When you're going to be using a liquid, sometimes some's on you, some's on the pet, and some may actually be in the pet. So if you're going to be giving a liquid medication, right behind the canine teeth, the fang, is a perfect place to put the tip of the little syringe or the dosing syringe that they give you. Don't try and squish it in all at once because usually the pet's going to go spit the thing out. Now, you tried giving liquid, that's not working. What to do? Well, depending on the medication, sometimes there's even transdermal. Transdermal is a medication that's going to be specially formulated for your pet. It's a little bit of a gel that you put on the inside of the ears. It gets absorbed, but honestly, it doesn't get absorbed as well as giving oral medication. Okay, you tried that one and that's not working. You may need to take your pet into the veterinarian to be treated, especially if it's treating something like ears and it doesn't like it, treating skin and it just runs away from you. But it's important to tell your veterinarian that you're having problems, see if they can come up with some type of suggestion for you. So, when in doubt, ask your veterinarian. It's important to always give the medication as prescribed. I'm Dr. Bernadine Cruz. Thanks for watching.